Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, we talked yesterday about how a move to the weekly pivot that resolved in the favor of the bears would open up a move to the 9-day. That's the blue line here. So we went down, we tested the 9-day, we traded as low as 20 yesterday, we traded as low as 17.5 in the overnight last night. They've bounced it all the way back to the area of the weekly pivot. We're currently trading 34.5. Your weekly pivot is at 35.5. To the hourly chart, we talked about this series of potential lower highs coming out of this consolidation. You got the expansion down. We churned in and around the area of the pre-FOMC price in the area of the 9-day for the end of yesterday and the vast majority of Globex last night. We got a pop about 4 o'clock in the morning up to test weekly pivot. We're currently kind of, ping-ponging on either side of that right now. You can see the daily pivot there coming in 29, 33 and change. As we head into today, 33 to 35 is going to be a big decision point. If the bears can hold it here, then what are we looking at? Well, you're looking at the next in a series of lower highs. Here, 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 and wait for it, here. But in order to execute that, you need what? You need a lower low. If you make another lower low and you convert this low from last night, it really does open up a move to 2,900. There's not a whole heck of a lot left between here and there. The vast majority of things, your 50-day, your 100-day, your 200-day, that's all down. It's got 28s on it. The daily mid-band is 28.81. So a conversion of the Globex low from last night, for me, opens up a move to 2,900. Doesn't have to be today, but that would kind of be the next thing. If the bulls can establish a higher low, even if they pull back to 27, deal with the hourly mid-band and hold it, and create a higher low versus the Globex low, then that opens up the possibility with a higher high to take it back up towards 29.50. But it all keys off of the weekly pivot at 29.35. All right, 33.35, watch it. Break of the Globex low, goes back to the roundy. Break to the upside, you're looking at 29.50. All right, take care, trade them well. More stuff out on social. Talk to you soon. Have a good one. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.